Hello everybody, I'm Richard Dawson from Cheshire Digital, and this is my quick weekly update reflecting on some of the key insight, trends and moments from the digital marketing world. So this week I was thinking about the difference between clients and customers, and so I asked about it in my weekly LinkedIn poll. So I asked people what term they used. Did they use the word customer? Did they use the word client? Or did they use either or both interchangeably? 50% said they used the word client, 10% said they used the word customer, and 40% said they used either word interchangeably. Quite a few comments that correctly said that the sort of accepted definition difference is that a client is someone you provide a service to and a customer is somebody you sell a product to. But what do you think? Why don't you leave a comment and let me know? The other thing I think that's really trending at the moment, and we're seeing a lot of discussion about, is the hybrid experience. I don't mean cars. I mean the hybrid experience between the online and the in-person experience, and there's a lot of discussion about how we get the best of both worlds in the future. Two examples of this. One would be working from home against working from the office. There's a lot of debate about that at the moment. So where's the balance lie for most people and most businesses between the two? I don't think people are going to go back to doing all of one thing and all of the other. I think there's going to be a balance, a hybrid. Where does that balance lie? I've noticed, for example, the train companies are selling season tickets now for many cities for people to work from home, to work in the office, I should say, 2 or 3 days a week. It perhaps suggests where the balance is going to be in the future. Similarly, second example would be retail. Where's the balance between the convenience of online sales, which have grown massively in the pandemic, and the personal service and the in-store experience? And I think it's really the people and the businesses that get that blend between those two things right, and get good at it and implement it. They're probably going to be the ones that are most successful in the future going forward. They understand that difference and that blend. Another little thing that I learned this week was the importance of using the Dutch angle in photos. Do you know what that is? Why don't you leave a comment? Let me know. No cheating, no Googling, just write in what you think a Dutch angle is. Interesting to see if you know. My marketing tip of the week, don't forget your LinkedIn business page. I think it's a neglected part of business marketing. And a lot of businesses I see have a page, but they don't use it really. It's great because it helps you in search and it helps you reach business prospects outside of your own network. So try and do one good quality update on there every week, 10 days. As long as you're consistent, doesn't really matter the period of time, could be 2 weeks, but be consistent and see if you can grow your followers. Obviously, get in touch if you need some help or advice on using a LinkedIn page more effectively. So here I am, looking forward to the rest of the week. There are going to be more twists and turns in the race for attention in the digital space. If you want to know more about how I can help you or your business, or you just want to chat to get some advice on getting good at digital, get in touch. If you're a regular viewer of the vlog, you'll know that you can get in touch with me at cheshiredigitalmarketing.co.uk. You can message me on my Facebook page, on Twitter profile, and of course on LinkedIn. If you search Richard Dawson Cheshire Digital, you should find me. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe wherever you see this vlog. So please stay safe. Carry on taking everything a day at a time. Thanks for watching all the way through to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.